I recently visited Ponca City and went to the Stuteville Ford Lincoln dealership. The great activities in and around Ponca City create an excellent work-life balance. The city owns and operates a motocross track within the city limits. The track area has several buildings that are used as concession stands and support offices for organized events and tournaments. This area has many parking spots where campers and or race trailers can be parked. Some include water and or electricity. Ponca City Lake is well developed with a sizable state-of-the-art playground for its focal point near the main lake entrance. Scattered around the lake are multiple pavilions of varying sizes that can accommodate small to large groups. There's modern restrooms that are available. Further into the public access area, you will find a couple cool sand volleyball courts. Across the street is a large boat ramp, and the lake has many boat slips that can be reserved. This lake also has an abundance of fishing areas with access to multiple fishing docks. Just past the boat ramp is one of the largest lake swimming beach areas I've ever seen anywhere in Oklahoma. Most city lakes do not allow camping, but Ponca City Lake has a great camping area, which is something that makes this city lake stand out. There are 5 disc golf courses and a disc golf pro shop and bar. One is located within the Ponca City Lake area and is named Lake Ponca Disc Golf Course. There's the Du Bois D'Arc Disc Golf Course, the War Memorial Disc Golf Course, the Willow Springs Park Disc Golf Course, and Sunset Park are all in the Ponca City area. There's also a golf pro shop called Flight Path LLC Disc Golf Pro. It has a bar with it and is a great gathering place for like-minded disc golfers. There are 2 traditional golf ball and club courses available as well, the Wentz Memorial Golf Course and the Ponca City Country Club, which is near Ponca City Lake. There are several local museums and attractions around Ponca City. The first is the Conoco Museum. Completed in May 2007, the museum's exhibits depict the growth of a Conoco company born from the early days of a kerosene distributor and the wildcat days of the Cherokee Outlet to an international energy empire. There's also the Pioneer Woman Museum in Ponca City, which is dedicated to preserving women's history and showcasing the historical and continued influence of women on the development of Oklahoma and the United States. Another cool museum is the Standing Bear Museum. It's about America's first Native American civil rights leader. It has a museum and an education center. There are also several museums dedicated to a Ponca City area lawyer and Oklahoma oil tycoon named E.W. Marland, who also held a seat of a U.S. House of Representatives. He was also the 10th governor of Oklahoma. Another large lake within a short distance of Ponca City is Call Lake Wildlife Management Area. It has public hunting and public lake access. The public hunting area covers 16,254 acres. It's adjoining the upper 2/3 of Call Lake in eastern Kay County in north central Oklahoma. There's low numbers of pheasant and greater prairie chicken available. There's plenty of fox squirrel, and there's gray squirrels also, but only in limited locations. The bobwhite quail and white-tailed deer are very abundant. Fur bearers, including the coyote, bobcat, and raccoon, are very plentiful. There's cottontail rabbits, Rio Grande turkeys, dove, ducks, and geese, which are usually present in good numbers in most years. The American bald eagle is one of Call Lake's most popular winter attractions. Traditionally, Call Lake has one of the state's largest populations of wintering bald eagles. There's numerous sites around the lake offering visitors excellent opportunities to view our nation's symbol. Peak viewing opportunities occur in January. Call Lake has 9 public use areas and over 250 campsites available around the lake. 10 boat ramps provide boaters with easy access. Call Lake and the Arkansas River have long been known for producing some of Oklahoma's largest catfish. The flathead, the blue cat, and the channel catfish all reside in the lake. Call Lake also offers anglers excellent opportunities to catch crappie, sand bass, black bass, and walleye. The lake covers 17,000 surface acres and has 168 miles of shoreline. There's no shortage of areas to fish or hunt in the Call Wildlife Management Area. Also within Ponca City area there's many casinos. You got the Osage Casino in Ponca City itself. There's 7 Clans Paradise Casino in Red Rock, Oklahoma. 7 Clans Casino in Newkirk, Oklahoma. And the Tonkawa Casino in Tonkawa, Oklahoma. These are places where concerts, gaming, hotels, and restaurants of all levels are present to contribute to nightlife activities for ones who chose to do so. Overall, I give Stuteville, Ford, and Ponca City high recommendations because of the people, because of the company, and the location. The family feel and cooperation of the staff from general manager down to lube tech, along with the modern facility and activities and attractions of the Ponca City area, makes this a very desirable place to live and work. If you'd like to find out information about what job opportunities there is at Stuteville, Ford, and Ponca City, just contact me.